Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning to go to the beach because yesterday I was planning. No, I went to the beach yesterday, but I forgot to bring my money, and they have entrance fee. So yeah, hindi ako natuloy. Ngayon, babalik ako dun sa resort. Ready lang ako. Okay. Sorry, it's kind of, how you call it? It's kind of messy right now because I've been to the market already. I need my swimming costume. I miss the beach. We're about to go to the river today. I just choose the beach because gusto ko magka-sunburn again. I still have colds, swimsuits. I have planned to have swimsuit, but sometimes I just don't know what to wear. I have so many clothes also. So yeah, just gonna see which one I'm going to wear. Maybe I'm just gonna change at my parents' home. My parents, because my brother is gonna come with me. I told him he can drive because I'm planning to drink Red Horse. So I don't know. I don't like these swimsuits. I guess I'm just gonna bring these two and the short here. Oh, I almost forgot my it's number one because last time we were in Bohol, I got sunburned so bad, and I'm gonna watch basketball later at night on my battery. Don't mind the mess. It's full. Oh, aloe vera. This is my number one. My water bottle. I have so much clothes, but I don't know what to wear. It's me. Sorry. Perfume. I need that perfume. Oh, I'm about to forget this one. This is my beach bag. I have so many coins in here. I'm gonna change at my parents' house. So this is my feet today. Yes guys, see you there.
Ano sa kadam? Naka-number 1 to?
Oh, sa sisikin.
Hindi yata.
Bilis! No!
Ayun guys. Hi guys! Tara na guys! For the beach!
Patingin niya mo yan. Dinuguan. Ayun yung mekaniko natin, mekaniko. Ay, si Ranico. Ready, guys. Baso mga plastic.
Sa paskip.
Dito na.
Sige, layas. Go na ka mo.
Oh, yung pang video niya.
Sige na.
Parang sari dito na kasi.
Ano to, dinadalan?
Ako na.
Gumawa ko yung tuloy yan.
Diyan.
Yan, kayo lalagay sa ulihan yan.
Ito pa, bida na nangangarga na di man nakaka-crime siya. Kanino to damit?
Wala.
O ito pa.
Yan. Dalawang ba?
Yan.
Saan mo yung pinag...
Ate, dito kayo sa loob. Saan dyan na magdadrive?
Siyempre.
Bye-bye.
Nagbababay. Ready na kami, guys. Sinuwa.
Uy, sige lang na yan.
Driver.
Isa fishing rod ka, ate Alice.
Plaza dyan, guys. Red horse. Di mo wala yung red. Ito ba yung iniinom ko?
Antayin din daw siya.
Anong gusto mo, Kale? Hmm? Iba ka ko. Sa'yo, anong juice gusto mo? Hmm?
Share na lang kami. Wala na ba?
Hmm. Oo na.
Huwag yan. Hindi pa hindi masarap yan.
Balang arte mo.
Baka zero na naman to ah. Ay, hindi.
Siyempre, sa'yo yung laman yan. Okay ka na, Tay?
Ayos naman ako.
Fried chicken na lang naman ako. Diyan sa may lipay dito.
Sa lipay mayroon.
Ito yan. Tapos wala tayong perang dala.
Una yung tinik.
So, pag chicash.
Ate, marami ka nadalang kanin. Batakal pa naman sa lasik sa kas...
Malapit na kami, guys. Ilang minutes na lang. Can say hi. Hi. Say hello. they have party. Uy, dun yung entrance. Saan ka pupunta? Baba nga ako. Bibidyo ako eh. Na-stuck. Dito na kami guys. Magtanong muna kami magkano yung entrance fee. Uy, kay. Bye, Kale. Swimming pool.
Tatay po, hindi naman.
Uy, doon na lang tayo magstay. Kay doon malapit sa dagat. Hmm? Madami yan.
Sabi mo, butakan sila yan.
Napabat na ba sa ito?
Pero,
Bigyan mo lang ako ng kaunting kanin. Guys, kakain na kami. Wala kaming kanin.
Tapos.
Hindi mawawala. Red Doors. Sponsor dapat, no?
Cook nga.
Saan naman yan? Tuntal.
Mag-Red Doors muna ako para
Jogi pa pala dito.
makapag, ano kami. 70 pesos. Magkano yung entrance dito?
70.
70 pesos entrance fee.
Tatay, pwede pa.
Hello guys. Mag-sponsor kayo ng pagkain namin. Wala kami pagkain. Nag-outing kami. Wala na kaming kanin. Guys, punta na kami sa ano? Sa... Oh! Hindi ko pa nagagawa yung ano ko eh. Eyelash extension. Ito. Ang ganda guys. Kasi medyo maano. Magkano ba? Wow, ganda ang dami. Hi guys, nakapunta kami na. Ay, nakadak. Yan yung chicken. Chicken at Red Doors. Good partner.
Ba't kasi laman loob? No?
Masarap sana lang kung hindi naman arasi. Meron akong ano. Batch. Lagi nagsashot lang to eh. The swimming pool, guys. I already drank like 2 Red Doors. I'm tipsy already. This is the pool. There's a little dimple. Wow! Hindi pa puno. Kasi ano, nilalagyan pa lang.
Malalagyan niya to. Malalagyan niya to ng laman ay.
Okay guys, we're going home now. It's because it's going to rain already. Oh god, I'm so drunk. Look, already it's going to rain already. They have a room. Meron silang kwarto dyan at karaoke. Pero kailangan mo i-rent. Diyan pwede kang magluto dito. Or mag-ihaw. CR. And dito naman, pag maghuhugas ka ng plato. Dito, ihawan. To your roomette. It's really nice, but we have to go because it's going to rain and I don't have drinks anymore. CR. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe.